Hi there, students. Up to. Up to. This is a preposition. You probably know the phrase, it's up to you, you decide. Or the phrasal verb, the kids are up to something, they're doing something naughty. I know they are doing something they shouldn't be doing. But let me go through the meanings of up to, because they're really quite a lot of them. So I went up to the counter. To go next to go near, to go towards. A man walked up to me, came near to me. Yeah? I've read up to page 69 in this book, as far as reaching that point. To be capable of. Are you up to working tomorrow? Okay, are you up to lifting something that heavy? Are you capable of it? Yeah. To be ready for. Are you up to a challenge? Yeah. Are you capable? Are you ready for a challenge? Are you up to this difficult exam? Yeah. Are you good enough for it? Are you up to the level? Can you compete? Are you willing to participate? Yeah? Are you up to going to the cinema tonight? Are you up to going to the pub? Yeah? Are you up to it? Yeah? Are you willing to do it? Up to as much as you can, but no more than. In this job you can earn up to £100,000 a week. Maximum. Yeah, maybe that's an adjective as well, a maximum of. In this competition you can win up to £1,000,000. You'll probably only win £5 if you win something, but you have the possibility of. Up to that point, up to that moment, up to that moment, everything was going well. Up to the end of the class there were no problems. Okay, it's your decision, it's your option. It's up to you whether you do this or not. It's up to you to decide what to do. The option is for you. Okay, to be doing something. What's up? What are you up to? Yeah? That's the origin of what's up. Yeah, what are you up to? You tell people what you are up to, what you are doing, what you're involved in. Yeah, he's clearly up to no good. He's doing something naughty. The kids are up to some mischief, I'm sure of it. Yeah, it's your responsibility to do this. It's up to you to make sure that this is safe. Okay, it's up to the prosecution to prove that the person is guilty. Wow, up to lots and lots and lots of meanings. So, up to, a man walked up to me. I walked up to the counter, near. Are you up to doing something as difficult as that? Are you ready for it? Are you up to going for a drink tonight? Yeah, are you willing to participate? You can do this up to 3 times. Yeah, as much as, no more than, a maximum. Up to that point in time, until. It's up to him to decide. It's his decision. It's his option. So, what are you up to tomorrow? What are you doing? Yeah? Those people are up to no good, involved in. It's up to you to make sure that everything is correct. It's your obligation, it's your duty, it's incumbent on you. So, there you go. Up to, lots and lots and lots of meanings. You're going to ask me about the formality of these. So let me look at it. A man went up to me. 5 informality use anywhere. Are you capable of doing this? Are you up to doing something that hard? 4.5 informality. Are you up to going to the pub tonight? 3.5 informality. Are you up to the challenge? Are you up to something difficult? Are you ready? 5 informality. You can do this up to 20 times as a maximum. 5 informality. Up to that point in time, 5 informality. It's up to you. I would say 4.5 informality. It's up to the prosecution to prove the guilt. 5 informality, use anywhere. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Up to.